Hello, friends and followers. I certainly want to thank you all for your prayers, which you've offered for me via God and Jesus Christ, the Son of God, and providing me protection with the Holy Spirit and guidance. I really do appreciate your prayers. Well, I've been shocked a few times by power supplies from Drake radios that are probably 800 volts, and that hasn't killed me yet. I'm not a silent key yet. Anyway, it's now day 3, it's Wednesday. My procedure was on November 1, Monday. Yesterday was okay day, but around 9 p.m. to about 2 p.m. I was working on work stuff with my laptop in the bed here, and I had to get done. And my heart was really hurting. They go by pain scale here of like 1 to 10. And I think it was a 5 or a 6. So they kept giving me oral pain medication. And around 5 a.m., they finally threw some morphine into me via IV. And that's helped. It's now 8 a.m. and I haven't slept all night, but I feel better. So that's my story. I'm supposed to get out of here tomorrow and be discharged. So I hope that all happens. It's hard to sleep in the hospital because they take x-rays all night. They want blood samples. And they come in like every hour or so, do stuff. So it's a hospital. It's how they are. All right, so I will move the camera now to the other mode to show you around the room. I really hope this helps my speaking, where I've always had a wheezy sound, and that might have been caused by the heart. I hope it helps my blood pressure. I hope I can get off metoprolol, which is a blood pressure med and a beta blocker. I take probably 5 meds a day. All right, so enough of me whining. I'll show you around the room here before it gets busy. I gotta get on a call pretty soon.